back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make pizza part 2. If you guys haven't checked out part 1, then go check that out right away. The link will be in the description box down below. Now let's move on to some of the toppings I'm going to be adding on my pizza. So let's start with the cheese. I have some dark cheddar here. I have some low moisture mozzarella marble Havarti cheese. Here I have some pepperoni beautifully put in a flower shape. I did this, it's beautiful. Here are some jalapenos. I love jalapenos, they're delicious. They add spice to everything. And here I have some butter. The butter is for the pan. Yes, for the pan. We're gonna rub it in there. And I have some dough already made. So now let's start with the butter. Grab this. You want to grab it from the edges, everywhere, and you want to cut it there. Oh my god, it feels good. Ugh. Okay guys, so here I have my dough, here I have my pan, buttered and ready. Now let's pick this up. Oh my god, it feels so good. There you go. Now remember, if you guys haven't seen how I made this dough, then go back and watch part 1 of this video, okay? Now spread this out. You don't want to put too much on the edges or it's going to kind of come off the pan and you don't want that to happen. Try to stick it. Wow, guys, look how nice this dough is. Okay, so here I have my marble cheese, and Mr. Marble is gonna go all over the pizza and all the way to the edges. Now let's start. I'm gonna pick up Mr. Marble and put him all over the edges. There we go. Quickly go. Here I have some Havarti cheese. Let's try it. This is so good. Okay, I think this is my new favorite cheese. Okay, now let's pour on some of this. There we go. Let's get some more. Okay, now it's time. Now it's time to add our salt, tomato sauce. So that's it. Okay, so here I have fried pepperoni. So I'm gonna put it on the pizza. So you guys, before we do it, you guys must be wondering that this looks a bit different. That is because it is Detroit pizza. It's from Michigan. So here we have it, and now we have a pepperoni. I'm gonna go on top. Add it. Now that I'm done with the pepperoni, it's time to bring in our friend, Mr. Jalapeno. Okay. Put it there, put some over there, make some more. Oh, look at this, that's so cool. Okay, now that's it. There we have it. Oh, it looks so. Okay, guys, so now it's time to put this in the oven. So you guys have to put this at 350 Fahrenheit and 35 minutes to 40 minutes. But the timing really depends on different kind of ovens. So you just gotta rely on your personal judgment. So yeah, that's basically it. Now let's take this to the oven. Okay guys, the pizza is here and oh my god, it smells amazing. As you guys can see, this isn't really a regular kind of pizza that you would usually see. It's a Detroit pizza. Now without further ado, it's time for my most favorite part, eating it. Now let's grab this. Right there, I'm gonna take a small plate. Oh my god, did you see that? You gotta keep going. Okay guys, we're good to go. Grab it. Oh, guys, this is just amazing. I've never seen a more crispy side thing out. I forgot what it's called, but it has never been this more crispy. Now we're gonna taste it. It was my most favorite part. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god, I usually don't like crust. I usually don't like crust, but I'm gonna try it. Let's do this. I'm gonna try the actual pizza. Go. Wait, I got yes. Okay, guys, look at this. It's beautiful. And a little glow. Inside fire. Can we just take a moment? This is. I'm getting sauce. I'm getting cheese. I'm getting crust. I'm getting softness, guys. This is amazing. This might be better than actual pizza you actually go and buy it from. Why waste your money and waste your time going there and gas when you can just make it right at home? This is amazing, guys. Oh my god, I am loving this. This is so nice. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!